Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to reset laptop in Windows 11. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. Now first of all, go to start button and hit right click. Now we are going to click on settings, and here you will find the option for system. So we are going to click here, and now scroll a bit and you will find the option as recovery. Click here, and yeah, there is an option for reset PC. Just click here, and here is the main thing. If you want to keep your files, you can go with the first option, which is an keep my files, and the second one is remove everything, where all of your files will gone. But if you want to keep your files, just click on the first one, and here you will find two options like cloud download and local reinstall. In the first one, they will download and install Windows from the cloud, but in case if your internet speed is not that good, so you can just hit on the local reinstall and they will install Windows from your device. But make sure Windows should be available on your device, and only then you can hit on this local reinstall. But if you want to remove everything, you can just go with the second option. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can reset your laptop in Windows 11. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.